From Actionable Ops, here's how to install and deploy Hermes the Nix way. Note that Nix is now a Tier 2 platform, maintained on a best effort basis only. For a supported setup, use the standard install paths instead. Hermes ships a Nix flake with 3 levels of integration, and you pick the level you need. Level 1 is Nix Run, which works on any Mac or Linux box with Nix. Level 2 is the NixOS module, the declarative service. Level 3 is the same module in container mode, where the agent gets its own persistent Ubuntu sandbox. Start with Level 1. No clone, no vim, no pip. Just Nix run github /NousResearch/hermes-agent -- setup. It builds on first use and caches after that. Once it works, Nix profile install drops Hermes, hermes-agent, and hermes-acp onto your path. The default package includes all libraries, adding about 700 MB to the closure. If you only need messaging platforms, the hash messaging variant adds just 33 MB. Level 2 is the NixOS module. In your configuration.nix, set services.hermes-agent.enable to true, point environment files, at your SOPs or Agentix secret, and that is the minimum. Run NixOS-rebuild switch. NixOS creates the Hermes user, generates config.yaml from your Nix attributes, wires up secrets, and starts the gateway as a hardened systemd service. Level 3 flips one switch. Add container.enable equals true, and you get the same module. But Hermes now runs inside a persistent Ubuntu container. This is the mode you want when the agent needs to apt install, pip install, or npm install things and have them stick across restarts. One important thing. In NixOS managed mode, Hermes setup, Hermes config edit, and Hermes gateway install are blocked. That is on purpose, to prevent drift. The source of truth is configuration.nix, and NixOS-rebuild switch is the only way changes take effect. For messaging platforms under the NixOS module, add extra dependency groups with the string messaging, or use the hash messaging flake package. That's Hermes on Nix, built by NousResearch. And for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.